Welcome to the hardest game on Earth. 1,000 players spawn. Only one will win. This is you, a green sea turtle hatchling. Weight, 25 grams. Armor, soft. Weapons, none. Build analysis, 0 defense, low speed. To win this, you need maxed out luck stats. Survival rate, 0.1%. Yes, you heard that right. 1 in 1,000.
Level 1, the death run. Your mission, reach the water. Distance, 50 meters. Danger, extreme. Enemy air support incoming. They have been waiting for you. Player 2 eliminated. Don't look, just run. Ground units. Ghost crabs. They will drag you into their holes and eat you alive. Dodge! Your flippers are not made for sand. You are slow and exhausted. You're almost there, but the boss is guarding the exit. The ocean! You made it! Safe? Wrong. Level 2, the feeding frenzy. The fish know you are coming. It is an all-you-can-eat buffet. Hide in the sargassum weed. Stay perfectly still. Your shell is soft. One bite is enough. The lost years. You drift for a decade in the open ocean. 90% of survivors die here from plastic or fishing nets. Modern trap. The plastic jellyfish. Looks tasty, right? Eat it and you choke. Lucky again. You find real food. You keep growing. Level 3, the tank. You survived 20 years. You are now an armored fortress. Defense stat, max. Only a massive tiger shark or jaguar can crack you now. Mission update, return to spawn point. You navigate using the Earth's magnetic field. The cycle completes. You survived the 0.1% odds to lay the next generation. You dig a pit and lay 100 ping pong ball eggs. You are crying, but not from sadness. It's just salt, or maybe relief. Your job is done. You will never see your babies. They are on their own, just like you were.
But the game is harder now. City lights confuse the next generation. Instead of the ocean, they crawl towards the highway. Light pollution, the new boss fight. Please turn off the lights. Let's look at the stats. 1,000 eggs, 1 survivor. Survival rate, 0.1%. You are not the strongest, you are not the fastest. You are simply the luckiest. You beat the impossible game. Respect. Next time, we switch to easy mode or smart mode. Orca or blue whale? Vote now. And remember, crabs are not friends. Subscribe for more survival stories.